The Delhi High Court will be hearing the charge sheet filed against Kanhaiya Kumar and Umar Khalid in the JNU sedition row. The Delhi police on Monday filed the charge sheet before Delhi's Patiala House Court against the JNU student leaders Kanhaiya Kumar, Umar Khalid and others. In fact, this case that took place 3 years ago, where both the student leaders along with others have now been charged with sedition, India Today has accessed exclusive details of the charge sheet filed. And this includes the names of Kanhaiya Kumar, Anirban Bhattacharya and Syed Umar Khalid along with the others. JNU leader Shaila Rashid, in fact, and D. Raja's daughter Aparajita have also been named in the charge sheet. The accused are charged with in fact making provocative speeches during an event against the execution of Parliament attack convict Afzal Guru in JNU campus in 2016. Meanwhile, Kanhaiya Kumar has called the charge sheet motivated and an attempt to malign the Jawaharlal Nehru University.
The Delhi police has filed a 1,200-page charge sheet against former Jawaharlal Nehru University President Kanhaiya Kumar, Umar Khalid, Anirban Bhattacharya and 7 other students from Kashmir in the JNU alleged sedition case. These students stand accused of sedition, rioting, unlawful assembly and criminal conspiracy. The Delhi police submitted that they had authenticated videos where anti-India slogans were chanted on the JNU campus at a meeting called to condemn the hanging of Parliament attack convict Afzal Guru. The Delhi police began investigations in the case in February 2016. The Delhi police in its charge sheet claims anti-India slogans were raised. The meeting was organized to oppose the hanging of Parliament attack convict Afzal Guru. Anti-India slogans were raised near the Sabarmati Dhaba of JNU. JNU security guard and staff recorded videos on their phones and on CCTV cameras. CFSL report found the video to be authentic. Kanhaiya Kumar, however, claims that the charge sheet is politically motivated.
यही एलिगेशन मेरे ऊपर 2 बार लगाया गया और 2 बार हम हाई कोर्ट से इस केस को जीत चुके हैं। मोदी जी कम से कम एक देश हित का काम करके जाइए, अपनी पुलिस को बोलिए कि स्पीडी ट्रायल कराए कोर्ट से।
Within hours of the charge sheet being filed, politics took center stage, with the BJP asking the Congress to come clean on its support to those who chanted anti-India slogans.
People of this country have seen how Rahul Gandhi, Congress party and some other political leaders stood with a group of students who raised slogans against India. मैं मानता हूँ राहुल गांधी और ऐसे सभी लोगों को देश से माफी मांगने पड़ेगा.
What were they doing for all this while? Just when election comes, that the BJP now has suddenly woken up to all these cases that are being charged. When this incident took place a long time ago, why were these charge sheets not filed then?
Others named in the charge sheet include Mujib and Munib Hussain, Raya Rasool and Bashir Bhatt. Though CPI leader D. Raja's daughter Aparajita and former JNU student Shaila Rashid have also been named in the charge sheet, but they've been named in column 12, which means that there is no prosecutable evidence against them.
While Kanhaiya Kumar and Umar Khalid claims that this is a political vendetta of government against them, the Delhi police have charged 10 accused, including Kanhaiya Kumar and Umar Khalid, under charges of sedition and criminal conspiracy. Delhi police also claims that they have ample evidence against all these 10 accused to prove the charges. Munish Pandey in Delhi for India Today.
And India Today's consulting editor Rajdeep Sardesai spoke to former JNU Students' Union President Kanhaiya Kumar. Take a look at Kanhaiya questioning the timing and the charge sheet itself.
Delhi police accuses you of raising anti-India slogans in the charge sheet. What is your first response? Do you accept that this is a charge sheet which could stand in a court?
देखिए, सबसे पहली बात तो ये है कि इस संबंध में हम लोगों को माननीय न्यायालय के द्वारा या दिल्ली पुलिस के द्वारा कोई सूचना नहीं है। जब तक कोर्ट हम लोगों को समन नहीं करेगी, जब तक चार्जशीट की कॉपी हमारे लॉयर को नहीं दिया जाएगा, तब तक हम नहीं जानते हैं कि आरोप पत्र में क्या लिखा गया है। लेकिन जहां तक भारत विरोधी नारेबाजी का सवाल है, इस संबंध में एक बात मैं आपको बता दूं कि एक इंक्वायरी कमेटी जेएनयू प्रशासन के द्वारा इसी आरोप के साथ हमारे ऊपर लगाया गया था, यही आरोप कहा गया था। तो उसके संबंध में हाई कोर्ट ने 2 बार उस आरोप को खारिज किया है और मुझे क्लीन चिट दिया है।
Umar Khalid, the main accusation, I'll come back to Kanhaiya in a moment, is the filing of the main stand that you and Kanhaiya seem to have taken, the filing of the charge sheet after 3 years ahead of the elections is politically motivated. Are you questioning the timing or the content of the charge sheet? Because the charge sheet claims that they have verified the videos saying that you were at the meeting where anti-India slogans were raised.
First of all, as Kanhaiya said, I have also not received the charge sheet. My lawyer has also not received the charge sheet. So cannot comment on the specifics that are said in the charge sheet. But I would like to take this opportunity to congratulate the Delhi Police, the Home Ministry, as well as the government of the day for finally waking up from the slumber 3 years after the filing of the FIR, and not so coincidentally 3 months before the general elections. As per the rule, as per the CRPC, a charge sheet is supposed to be filed in 90 days after the filing of the FIR, not 90 days before the elections are supposed to start. As for the charges that are being said in the media about us, I want to categorically say that we deny those allegations. We will go into trial, and we are completely convinced of our innocence. We are have complete faith on the court of the country. Truth will prevail at the end of this entire thing, at the end of the entire trial.
So politics rages on in the JNU sedition row after Delhi police filed the charge sheet against Kanhaiya Kumar. Opposition has now questioned the charges slapped against Kanhaiya Kumar and Umar Khalid in the sedition case. Congress leader termed the charges absurd and raised apprehensions over the existence of sedition laws in the country. Meanwhile, former Jammu and Kashmir Chief Minister Mehbooba Mufti has linked the timing of the charge sheet with the upcoming general elections. She said that the timing of the charge sheet couldn't have been more suspicious. Meanwhile, BJP has hit out at the Congress for supporting those who raise slogans in support of destruction of India.
Yes, I congratulate the Delhi police. They've done good work. They've assembled very good evidence. And now it will go to the court for framing of charges. And I think anti-national people will be taught a lesson that you can't study in a university financed by the government of India and eat its namak, the namak of the people of India, and then betray them.
कानूनी प्रक्रिया सही चले, सुचारू चले, इसमें कोई हस्तक्षेप न हो, साक्ष्यों के साथ कोई छेड़छाड़ न हो, हमें बस यही उम्मीद।
Thanks for watching the video. For more such news and updates, please like, share and subscribe to India Today. Also check out our other great videos from our channel. We know you would love to.